when the war ended, they weren't even permitted to talk about their achievements. And through all of this, Turing remained laser-focused on one thing. He didn't see himself as a hero. When the war ended in 1945, Bletchley Park shut its doors and sealed its secrets. The thousands who worked there were sworn to silence. Not for a few years, but for decades. Turing walked away from one of the most important victories in modern history, unable to tell anyone what he'd done, which is the other most insulting thing that the movie does, but we'll get to that later. But Turing didn't stop working. He shifted his focus from breaking codes to building the future. At the National Physical Laboratory, he began designing one of the first stored program computers, a machine that could perform calculations but also remember and modify instructions. His design, called the Automatic Computing Engine, was revolutionary, the blueprint for modern computing long before anyone used that word. He also turned his attention to something in the 1940s that sounded like science fiction. In 1950, he published a paper titled Computing Machinery and Intelligence, which asked, can machines think? This introduced the Turing test, a thought experiment to measure whether a machine's behaviour could be indistinguishable from humans. Every AI system today technically traces its roots back to that one question.